Molecules are very small which cannot be seen with naked eyes. However, their shapes are determined by various experiments. The experiments have shown that the molecules may be linear, bent, tetrahedral, pyramidal and bipyramidal. So here we will describe shapes of some molecules. Carbon dioxide. The geometry shape of carbon dioxide is linear with a bond angle of 180 degree. The shape is due to the central carbon atom forming two double bonds with two oxygen atoms and having no lone pairs of electrons, which minimize repulsion between the electron pair groups. The carbon atom is always a central atom in this geometry. Second is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, the molecular geometry of sulfur dioxide is bent or V-shaped. The shape is a result of the central sulfur atom having one lone pair of electron in addition to the two bonds with oxygen atom, which pushes the bonded oxygen atom closer together. The presence of the lone pair causes the molecule to deviate from linear shape, and the bond angle is approximately 119.5 degrees. Molecular geometry is bent or V-shaped. Then here it is a boron trichloride as a trigonal panel geometry. This flat triangular shape occurs because the central boron atom is bonded to three chlorine atoms with no lone pairs, causing the three bonding pairs to repel each other and arrange themselves as far apart as possible, resulting in a bond angle of 120 degrees. Boron is always central atom. Methane. Methane molecule has a tetrahedral geometric shape with the central carbon atom surrounded by four hydrogen atoms. The four hydrogen atoms are positioned at the vertices of the tetrahedron with the bond angles of approximately 109.5 degree between them. The carbon atom is always central atom, and the four hydrogen atoms are at the corner of the tetrahedron. The geometric shape of ammonia is trigonal pyramidal. This is because the central nitrogen atom has a full region of electrons density, three bonding pairs and one lone pair, arranged in a tetrahedral electron geometry, but the lone pair repels the bonding pair, distorting the shape and pushing the three hydrogen atoms in a pyramidal. So it have a trigonal pyramidal geometry.